Alright, we've been in this beautiful inland sea and now we're gonna take the scenic route home.
It's beautiful.
Let's go, It's a shame that Sura isn't there anymore.
Outside now. Beautiful.
It is very good. Here's the big bridge. We stood on top of these rocks.
Gozo on the bike. Doing 31. Woo! Cool, huh?
Yeah.
I love you.
Love you.
We are back in the centre. We've just been for a swim. We did all that stuff. We cannonballed it all the way back. Now we're going to go back to the ferry.
Yeah. And there's another church. There's many churches here. Citadel up there. We had lunch here.
Oh.
Very empty now.
Beautiful place. Hey, hey, hey. I'm so excited. This is awesome. I'm having more fun now than I did this morning.
I think now you're relaxing a bit more because you know where we're going.
Yeah.
Hello.
Alright, so we're just still chilling at the boat, trying to get back over to Malta. We're at Gozo. Sun's going down. It's pretty cold. Sarah Barra had a great time. I had a great time.
We saw a lot.
We saw a hell of a lot. I'm starting to get real hungry now. You hungry?
Yeah, we get something on the boat.
We'll go home, drink, eat, sleep.
Go to the movies.
I'm going to sleep well tonight.
Why don't we go to the movies tonight?
Maybe.
We're already going to walk all that way.
I thought we'd drive there and just...
Oh yeah, we can drive there.
We can park out the front, eat, and then drive home.
Yeah.
I'll figure it out.
Go to the movies though.
Maybe. See, Jean-Wick. Alright,
Well,
hey
we
door.
wanted to do it. It's not many days left now.
Hey door. Honeymoon 2019.
Woo! Woohoo!
Love you. Hey door.
someone.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll call them. Get it off. Pull on this side also. Thank you.
Thank you.
Worse one, look at it.
Well, let me fill you in.
We have an even bigger adventure.
We are not going to be home until at least 10. We have just gotten off the ferry.
We pushed the quad
We are
off
now on
ferry.
the mainland Malta. We had to push the thing off because it went into gear and it went snap. And this is what happened.
Chain is gone.
There's the sprocket. There's the chain. There's Sarah Berra.
Laughing.
This is the bike not moving.
Oh, well. The guy said he will come and swap us from that.
He's gonna come and swap the bike. I'm totally cool, but I'm glad it snapped here than
Here.
it did in Gozo. We've been all the way to the other end of Gozo. Could you imagine if it snapped all
That's
going?
not our one, hey?
That's mine.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think because I pulled everything out of my pockets to
Yeah.
find.
Can you put it back?
So-
I want to save them.
This is awesome. I'm excited. Sarah, you excited?
I'm very excited.
I'm very excited.
I'm with you.
I'm starving.
I was
Honeymoon.
more excited
Honeymoon.
to get somewhere, but you know, because the sunset is kind of blocked from here. But hey, we made it back to mainland. It would be worse if we were on the other side.
Much worse.
Can't believe.
Maybe that's why it was whirring heaps. It was on its way out going. Oh,
It did sound very dodgy. Anyway,
At least we're alive. At least we're fine.
yeah, we're fine.
Nothing locked up. Nothing like damaged. It was just.
It was just embarrassing
It's just
standing
embar-
on the ferry.
Everyone's like,
First one
off you
to
go,
go off,
and I'm like,
and we're like, sorry, go forward. Just drive past us.
super
well.
excited. Malta 2019. Woo!
Woohoo! Oh, well. Shit happens. At least he picked up the phone.
Yeah. All right. Update. He's on his way.
Yep. He's bringing a new quad
He
for us.
said he's bringing a new quad. He's bringing something. So I don't know how he's going to get here. I don't know.
He said
what's
25
gonna
minutes.
happen. That thing is still sitting there in its broken glory.
Yeah.
And yeah. Honeymoon. I'm excited.
Ah,
It's an adventure. Like you can't
you can't pick the days.
you can't say it's
and we
bad.
got all the way here.
Yeah, dude, I'm so
I mean, imagine if we were on the other side of Gozo.
other side or down where the rock, the inner beach is.
Yeah.
then, oh man, we would have been stuffed all coming up the hill. So I'm
Yeah.
grateful
It happened in a safe spot. Because we were just waving all the cars past.
Everyone
get
was-
off the ferry.
and
get off.
some people were being polite and going, "Oh, off you,
You
go,"
go,
and I'm
you
like,
go, and we're like, "We
I'm
can't go."
broken."
It's not moving.
So yeah.
Anyway, we
And
got it off the
they're
ferry
all home
safely.
now in their warm beds, and we're
I
just.
know. But 20 minutes more and he'd be here or something.
Look, I'm also grateful that it's still 22 degrees. Like
Oh,
there's a
yeah.
breeze. It's really pleasant.
Yeah.
It's only 22 degrees. Like it's really not that bad.
No. And you know what? It's after closing hours. He picked up the phone. He straight away, okay, what happened? Where are you?
Good Google
I'm
review.
coming.
Good Google review.
I mean, yeah. I think that's pretty good service.
Get it.
I mean, it's shit that the bike broke in the first place. That's probably poor maintenance, but you know what? If you're happy to correct your issues,
I reckon it happens a lot.
yeah,
All right,
probably.
let's sit more and enjoy
The view. We can
The
see
view.
Camino.
the view of Malta.
Camino.
Malta.
Sunset is over there. But yeah,
Sunset
it's behind
Sarah
the ferry
Berra
terminal.
and love. I love you.
I love you.
Hey, doll.
It's funny.
Hey, hey.
Hey, dog.
We're stuck in Malta in a car park. Dancing night away. I feel like dancing.
I danced yesterday. He's coming.
He's broken.
He's coming.
We've been here for
Half an hour,
half an hour.
at least.
Look, I know he's on his way and everything, but I'm just tired. I want to go home.
It's just not what we planned.
It's not what I play. I'm glad we didn't rent a quad on Wednesday night.
Oh yeah?
Well, Wednesday it snapped and we're stuck here. Imagine what
Ah, yeah. I mean,
we would have, like less than 6 hours to get back to the hotel room to then pack everything and then
Yeah.
leave. So I'm glad.
it's only about 5 minutes away. Can you imagine how long 25 minutes is when you're waiting like this? When you're just like, I just want to be on the way home.
We still have another 35 to 40 minutes to get home.
Woo! Took us an hour to get up. Woo! But we had a good day at Gozo. We got to see the beautiful view at the Gozo headland up over the Blue Lagoon, and we found a beautiful restaurant there. And of course, it opens 11 every day except Tuesdays.
And shut.
It's today, Tuesday. Anyway, we could see the view before all the Blue Lagoon boats came, and then we got to the main city and got some food and saw the Citadel.
Citadel.
And then we went up a little bit backwards. We went a few k's back up the hill and to the temple and the windmill. And then we drove down to the cliff that's no longer there. What is it called? Azure?
The view.
No, Azure.
The Azure
Yeah, it's gone.
window.
But we saw where it has been, and we saw the inland sea, and we saw the nice fortress there, like their little tower. And we had a lovely swim, and then we drove watching the sunset all the way to the ferry, waited for the ferry for like half an hour, and then we couldn't get further than push the bike off the ferry.
We made it 10 feet.
Yeah.
Lucky me.
Better than breaking down on the middle of the road though.
Much better. But
Much better.
we'll figure it out. Alright. Hey door.
Hey there. Yeah, I tried to do traffic
Alright,
control.
so we finally
flew
got the bike.
here.
We flew here. We finally got the bike fixed.
Well, we got the new one.
We got a black one, and it's a good bike.
Ed Bunny
I think
hops
the chain-
everywhere.
I think the chain
So
tension is wrong.
I
Look
think
at it,
I
look
think
at
the
it, look
chain
at it.
tension is really wrong.
Look at it. It's like so much slack on here now.
Oh my god, that's why it's all broken. So we're just gonna go and get some food, go home, sit and eat it, fall asleep because I am wrecked. How do you feel?
I feel better now when we're back here.
It's home time.
Yeah.
Fast Tony, you did well.
I think that's his name.
No, he's Sean or something.
Yeah, that too. He did well.
But it's
Brian.
Byron hire. Bike hire.
Hey door.
Hey there.
I love you. We are on our way to our hotel room to eat sweet food.
Sweet. Eat well.
Eat well, that too. It's been a really long day. It's been a fun day. I'm never going to say that it was a boring day. I told you,
The chain snapped.
we always have adventures. Our life is never boring. There's always something that
I
happens.
know. Always something.
There's always something.
I'm very grateful. He's like straight away. Come and swap here.
Come and
I
fix.
give
I
you a
give
new
you a new one. There's one bunny hopped the whole way home. Oh, they gave us a toiletry roll. Thank you. So yeah, it was fun. A lot of fun. Oh yeah.
Honey, I'm home.
Alright, how you doing?